Good morning, pirates. I hope you're well and are enjoying the pirate challenges so far. Now, today we're going to be exploring some maths, but first we need to start by looking at the 4 rules of good listening, because even though we're pirates, we've still got to make sure we are showing those 4 rules. Are you ready to join in with me? Good listening is sitting still, staying quiet, looking at the person who's talking, listening to all the words. Now, if you're following those 4 rules, you will be sitting beautifully, ready to learn a new, exciting maths today. So, let's start by having a think about our learning objective. Our learning objective today is to add and subtract single-digit numbers. So we're not just going to be looking at adding or subtracting, we're going to be doing a little bit of both. Now there's some key words that we need to know when we're doing adding and subtracting. These key words are add, more, adding, and then when we're subtracting, we're thinking about subtract, less than, take away. And there's one other key word that we definitely need to know. Equals. Fantastic. I wonder if you can join in with me for the actions. Can you show me add? Super. Can you show me subtract? Excellent. Can you show me equals? Well done if you remembered all of our actions for add, subtract and equals. Now, another word that we definitely need to know for this lesson today is number. We're going to be working with numbers. Now, before we do our warm-up, we need to think about the big picture. We often talk about this in school, don't we? And that's why do we need to know how to add and subtract? Pause this video and have a chat with your grown-ups. Why do you think we need to know how to add and subtract numbers? Join me when you're ready. Okay, I had a little bit of a think on my own, but I wasn't really sure. So I phoned up some friends and asked them to tell me why it's important that we know how to add and subtract. Here are their answers.
I have to subtract numbers when I bake for my friends. I like to know how many cookies are left just for me.
I have to add numbers when I'm doing my food shopping to see how much it costs.
I subtract numbers when giving my children pocket money to see how much is left.
I add numbers together when cooking so that I know I've got the right amount of each ingredient.
Well, hopefully now you understand the big picture. There are so many reasons that we need to know how to add and subtract numbers. Before we get going, there's one last thing I'd like to say, and that is a big well done to Skylar for doing such super work on Numbots. I'm really impressed, and we've been keeping up to date with those of you that are logging in, so keep it up and see if your name can get shouted out in one of our videos. Now, before we do some real adding and subtracting, we need to have a little warm-up. So I would like you to watch the screen. Some pirates are going to pop up. Can you count how many pirates there are? Let's quickly check our counting first. Let's count all the way to 20. We'll clap at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. Have a look and see if you can count all of the pirates that pop up on the screen. Write down your answer using a pen or a felt tip on a piece of paper. Check back in with me once you've done it. How did you get on, guys? Did you manage to count all of the pirates? I counted 12. How many did you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did you count? Excellent, well done. Now, I wasn't too sure how to write 12, so I thought I'd wait and do it with you and we could have a go all together. Now, I know I need a 1 first, but what's the other number that sits next to 1 to make the 12? It's 2, well done. Let's see if you can remember the little rhyme we say to write the 2. Half a heart will never do. Slide to the right, that makes 2. Hopefully you had the same answer as me. There were 12 pirates that popped up. Excellent, I think you're ready to get going with some adding and subtracting. Our first job is to use the pirates to help us find the answer. And we're going to do this all together for our turn. We're just going to quickly check that you can remember how to add and subtract. Follow me this way, let's have a look. So we can see our number sentence is 4 add 4 equals. Now we need to find the answer. We're going to use the pirates to find the answer. So we need to count out 4 pirates to start with. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're adding, so we know that the number is going to get bigger. How many more do we need to add? Well done, we need to add 4 more pirates. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've done 4 add 4, so next we need to add them all together to find out how many there are. Let's count the pirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the answer, everyone? Super. 4 add 4 equals 8. Okay, so let's have a look at our next number sentence. Read it with me. 7 subtract 2 equals. So this time we are subtracting, which means the number's going to get smaller. Remember the song?
Subtract with a pirate. Yo ho ho, you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away.
We need to start by counting out how many pirates? 7. Well done. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's read the number sentence again. 7 subtract 2 equals. So we need to take away 2 pirates. Take away 2, 1, 2. Okay, now we need to find out how many are left so that we can find the answer. Let's count how many pirates are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Did you enjoy using the pirate teachers to help us find the answer? I hope so. Now, we've done our turn. I'm going to have a go at my turn now. And I'm going to have 2 number sentences written down that I need to find the answer to. I've got something exciting to find the answer to these. Would you like to see? What do you think is in this box? Let's open the lid and find out. It's treasure. There is lots of gold treasure in my box. I wonder if you could go out and find some treasure that you could use for when it's your turn. Pause the video. You might want to see if you've got any stones in the garden. Come back when you're ready. Excellent. Hopefully you've all got everything you need to find the answers now. So it's my turn, which means you have got to zip, stay super quiet and see if I can find the answer. Watch and see how it is that I find the answer to these number sentences because after it's going to be your turn.
Okay, so I've got my treasure to help me and I've got my number sentence here. Remember, it's my turn. I'm going to read it first. 2 add 1 equals. Now I'm going to use the treasure to help me find the answer. So first I need to count 2 pieces of treasure. 1, 2. Now I need to add 1. So I'm going to count out 1 more. Now to find out how many are all together, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. 2 add 1 equals 3. I'm going to say the little rhyme to help me. Round the tree, that's the way to make a 3. Okay, here's my second one. I'm going to read the number sentence. 6 subtract 2 equals. Now I need to start by counting out 6 pieces of treasure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 pieces of treasure. Now I need to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? That will tell me the answer. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. 6 subtract 2 equals 4. Down, across and down some more. That's the way to make a 4.
Okay, I've had my turn. I was a work hard whiz and I managed to find the answer to an addition number sentence and a subtraction number sentence. As I said, we've done our turn, I've done my turn, so now it's your turn. I'm going to give you some number sentences. There will be 1 chili, 2 chili and 3 chili challenges, so you can choose which one you would like to do. The 1 chili is going to be the easiest one. 2 chilies will be a little bit harder, and 3 chilies is if you want to give yourselves a real challenge. I think you should definitely have a go at the 3 chilies and be a work hard whiz. Have a go and then come back and let's see if you got the same answers as me. Good luck, and don't forget, use your treasure to help you.
So here is chili challenge number 1. Pause the screen if this is the one you want to do. Here is chili challenge number 2. Pause the screen if this is the challenge you'd like to do. And here is chili challenge number 3. Now you'll see here I've mixed them up so they're not just addition on one side and subtraction on the other. They're all higgledy-piggledy. So you've got to figure out whether it's addition, number sentence, or subtraction, and then find the answer. You're also working with 2-digit numbers for the 2 chili and 3 chili challenges. Good luck, guys.
Wow, I am so impressed. So many of you have been a work hard whiz and tried really hard. Now, we're going to go through the answers and you can give yourselves a tick if you got it right. Let's see how you got on.
So we've got the answers for chili 1 here. The answers for chili 2 are here. And finally, we've got the answers for chili 3.
Well done if you managed to get all of them correct. If you didn't, don't worry. Pause the video and have another go to see if you can get the right answer. Sometimes we make mistakes and that's absolutely fine, as long as we learn from the mistake and try again. That's how you become a real work hard whiz. Okay, before I go pirates, I'm going to set you a pirate challenge, and it's going to be a maths pirate challenge. I would like you to have a think about number bonds. Number bonds are 2 numbers that you add together to make 1 number. So I would like you to see if you can find 5 number bonds to 10. Good luck, and send us your answers to the reception email address. I cannot wait to hear how you got on. Take care, everybody. It was nice to see you again. Bye.